children, welcome to all. I hope you are all safe in your home. Yes? Okay children, today I am going to teach Maths class for grade 1. Chapter 1, Shapes and Space. Now we are going to learn inside, outside, bigger, smaller, top, bottom, on, under, nearer, further. What is that? Inside, outside, bigger, smaller, top, bottom, on, under, nearer, further. First we are going to see inside and outside. I show an example for you. Listen carefully children. This inside, outside. See, these marbles are outside the bowl. Now let's put them inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now these marbles are inside the bowl. See, tell children, the stones are outside the bowl or inside the bowl? Yes, the stones are outside the bowl. Now let's put them inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these stones are inside the bowl. These crayons are outside the bowl. Now let's put them inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these crayons are inside the bowl. Are you understand children? Inside and outside. Okay. Next we are going to see bigger and smaller. What is that? Bigger and smaller. See, this football is bigger. This cricket ball is smaller. What is that? This football is bigger. This cricket ball is smaller. I show one example for you. Listen children. See this toys. Which one is bigger? This is bigger or this is bigger? Yes, this is bigger. This is smaller. Yes, this is bigger. This is smaller. I show another example for you. See this ball. What is this color of the ball? Blue. This is orange. Okay, this blue ball is bigger or this orange ball is bigger? Yes, this blue ball is bigger. This orange ball is smaller. Okay, next. Are you understand? Bigger and smaller. Next, we are going to see top, bottom. What is that? Top, bottom. Okay, see this bird is top of the tree. What is that? This bird is top of the tree. This apple is bottom of the tree. This apple is bottom of the tree. Okay, are you understand? Top and bottom. Next, on, under. What is that? On, under. See, this book is on the table. See, this book is on the table. This ball is under the table. What is that? This ball is under the table. Next, nearer, further. What is that? Nearer, further. See, this mouse is nearer to the house. What is that? This mouse is nearer to the house. The cat is further from the house. What is that? The cat is further from the house. Are you understand children? Nearer and further. Again I repeat it. Inside, outside, bigger, smaller, top, bottom, on, under, nearer and further. Are you understand? Okay. Children, next we are going to see shapes. What is that? Shapes. Shapes around us. You are all see many shapes in your house. Today we are going to See, four shapes here. First one is square, rectangle, triangle, circle. What is that? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. What is the first one? Square. Spell this. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. What is that? S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Next one, rectangle. R-E-C-T. Rectangle. A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. R-E-C-T. Rectangle. A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Next one, triangle. T-R-I. Triangle. A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. What is that? T-R-I. Triangle. A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Next, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. See, this square has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The square has four sides. These four sides are equal. I give example for square, box and carom board, etc. Next, rectangle. This rectangle also have four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many sides for rectangle? Four sides for rectangle. This opposite sides are equal. I give example for rectangle, pencil box, blackboard, etc. Next, triangle. This triangle have three sides. I give example for triangle, samosa, traffic signal, slices of pizza, okay, etc. Next, circle. The circle have no sides. I give example for circle, bangle, coin, etc. Okay, what is that? How many shapes do you know? Four shapes. What is the first one? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. I show some shapes for you. Listen, children. What is this? This is rectangle or square? Yes, this is square. See, these four sides are equal. What is this, children? This is square. See next. See this book. This book looks like a rectangle. Yes, this book looks like a rectangle. See, opposite sides are equal. See, opposite sides are equal. This book looks like a rectangle. See, what is this? This is circle or triangle? Yes, this is circle. The circle have no sides. Okay, what is this? This is circle. The circle have no sides. Okay, again I repeat this shapes: square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Are you understand, children? Next we going to see rolling and sliding. What is that? Rolling and sliding. Round objects are all rolling. Sliding means flat objects are all sliding. See, this ball is round object. So this ball is rolling. See this eraser. This eraser is a flat object. So this eraser is sliding. Now we are going to see some examples for rolling and sliding. Listen, children. See, I put a ball in the slide. See, this ball is a round surface. So this ball is rolling. See, this chalk is also round surface. I put here. See, this chalk piece is rolling. Okay. Next, see this sharpener. The sharpener is a flat surface. I put in the slide. See, the sharpener is sliding. Okay. Next, see this eraser. This eraser also flat object. I put in the scale. See, this sharp eraser also sliding. Okay, are you understand, children? Rolling and sliding. Again I repeat it. Rolling means round objects are all rolling. Sliding means flat objects are all sliding. Next I ask the question. Fill in the smallest shape. What is that? Fill in the smallest shape. I given a 3 shapes here. Triangle, square, circle. What is that? Triangle, square, circle. Which one is the smallest shape? Yes, triangle is a smallest shape. I shared the triangle. Okay, children, or you understand the smallest shape? Next, fill in the biggest shape. What is that? Fill in the biggest shape. Listen, children, I given you 3 shapes here. Circle, triangle, square. Which one is bigger? Circle or triangle or square? Yes, square is the biggest shape. See, I shared this square. Are you understand, children? Smallest and biggest. Okay. Once again, I recall this chapter. Listen, children. Shapes and space. Inside, outside, bigger, smaller, top, bottom, on, under, nearer, further. Next, shapes. Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. The last one is rolling and sliding. Okay, children, I think you all understand this chapter. Okay, bye bye, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.